I do have $9.
And thank you thank you for sending me a star, guys. I got my money from my star. And,
Wait.
yeah, that's from your Facebook.
I get. Yo, I got $8.
Yeah. Huh?
I got $8.
Unsa?
Kuyos. Kuyos and chicken.
Saka na.
Thank you, guys.
And thank you, guys.
Thank you,
Down to
guys.
that.
I got $8.
Ipakita nila.
I'm rich, guys. I'm flexing. I'm flexing, guys.
And thank you for sending me star.
Thank you for sending me star.
Tarong pang thank you, oy.
Thank you for sending star, guys.
Oh, ikaw sa.
Thank you, guys.
What?
Kasi yung kwarta sa kat.
Amot lang.
Ha?
Looking for. Oh, what do you need coconut?
Why Kuya only got $10?
Ha?
Why only Kuya got $10?
I don't know, Kurt. What do you want to buy?
I'm gonna buy for it. Or Fortnite cards.
No.
Gonna buy
Dali ka mag-cash in ko kuan ka magbayad ko sa na pa ko'y utang ni Beshi. Mag-cash in ko.
Gusto buy on that.
Oy, kami video ano okay mo? O din
What's 5 and
squat basta tuwaton atong basket.
you got 20? You got 20. I give 5.
Yeah, I have 20.
Wait, no. This is supposed to be $10.
Dali oy kay magpalit ko bluto para
This is-
masuklian
You
ko.
got
I have
15.
Ano naman mo?
No, just like counting. Like you got
Usay palit ko ninyo di ay.
16,
yeah 16.
17, 18.
O sa man ninyo?
We got 18.
I'm saving.
Corty, save some money, Corty. That's from your Facebook.
I'm trying to find $1.
Hmm.
Well, it's not worth it. Hurry up, bro. Just get a 5.
Huh?
$4 right here. Right there.
No, it's 9.
It's 9.
Not 9 now.
New 9. This is done.
$9 na.
Kulang eh. Ating 100. Ano na ako? Sa $4?
Now I got. No. I think
So what are you going to buy for your star? From your star's money.
I'm going to save $3.
You're going to save $3.
Yeah.
Then you're going to save. You're going to spend the $5. How much that Pokemon?
$4.
It's only $4.
Okay. Eh, palit ka na. Palit ka na, Scott. Oh,
Huh?
palit ka na. Palit eh.
Ano?
Dili, uy.
Oh, palit eh.
Iuli na nito eh. Gabay ka ng kuwan. Iuli na lang na.
Ano? Ito pa niya. Ito nang kuha gani. Ito nang gano'n.
Oo, palit na.
Let's go.
Wait sa.
Ako pulit. Ano yung kayang pulit? Kuha
Pwede
gani.
Oh, pwede na.
Oh, gani. Gani chicken.
Oh. Pwede. Aw, yan na, mag-cash in sa ako niya. Ang sukli, bayad na ko.
Ah. Go.